Yo, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make money using incentive method on Cpagrip. So what is incentive method? This incentive method is going to be you giving out value to people, and then in return they're going to complete a content locker to receive the value, and then you make money. Alright? Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. I'm going to be putting a link in the description to this PLR articles. I have over 111,000 articles, right, in various niches. As you can see on the screen, art and entertainment, business, computer and technology, fashion, finance, health and fitness, home slash family, internet slash business, and this is the license for this um, PLR article pack. Alright, so I'm gonna be demonstrating an example of how to use this PLR pack to make money on CPA. Right? So what you're going to do is you can go into any of these folders, the one which interests you the most. As you can see, there are a lot of articles here, a lot of it. As you can see, I can keep scrolling forever. You can see you can keep scrolling down forever and ever. So I'm gonna look for an example real quick to show you how you can use these PLR articles to make a ton of money with Cpagrip. So let's come down to health and fitness, and then let's go to beauty, and then let's check out these 7 tips for beautiful skin. Right? So you might be wondering, how are you going to promote this article? It's pretty simple. All you need to do is come down to open your browser and type in site.google.com. You may have to log in, but I'm logged in already. So what you're going to do, first of all, you want to use this template, this dog walker. Yours may not be like this, but you may have to scroll down a little bit to see it. So now you click on the dog walker template. Make sure you use this exact template. Alright, it's loading up. Okay. Alright, we're in. So first of all, what you're going to be doing now is you want to open the PLR article of your choice. As you can see, the title of this PLR article I chose is 7 tips for beautiful skin. You want to copy that, and then you come back to the new Google site page. You want to highlight this heading, and then you paste it in there. Boom, just like that. And you might want to give it some bold so that it's easy for people to read. You might want to also increase the font size as well. Let's see, 48. I think 46. I mean 36. I think it's okay. Yeah, 36 is fine. Alright, so what we're going to do now next is we need to change this background. If you remember, the name of this template we are using is dog walker. It's actually a template for more like a dog niche thing, right? As you can see how it looks amazing. So what we are going to do next is we have to open another tab, and we search for beautiful skin. Alright. Then you go to images. Oh man. What the beautiful skin. My bad. Alright, so you can take your time and look for the best images you can get. But I'm gonna go with this one. So then we'll go back to, we need to, because we need to change this background image from this dog photo to a more suitable photo for the title. So then you right click and copy the image address. Then you click on the image, scroll down here and upload your own. Okay, now upload. Sorry, select image. So it's loading up. My internet connection is really bad. It's loading up. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video because it's really amazing. Okay, let me try it again. I don't know why my internet connection is poor right now. I think I'll fix it up and come back later. Alright, my internet connection is working fine again. So now we click on this select image. So you're going to get this this is going to pop up. Then you click on this by URL. Then remember the link we copied here, this image address. Then we're going to paste it in. Boom. Alright, that's awesome. That looks amazing. Alright. So what we're going to do next now is we're going to go back to the PLR article. Then we're going to copy it again. Mind you, you might have to read this article before pasting it, so to avoid errors and all that. I've actually read it and it's fine. So you're going to copy this, then paste the summary of the article in there. You want to upload this. Let's give it about 18. That's good. Let's close this gap a little bit. And let's try to see if we can justify this. Awesome. Alright. It looks amazing to me. This is amazing. So what we're going to do next is now we're going to copy the main article, which is, as you can see here, the article body. So we copy everything. Just exactly as we did earlier. We paste it in there. The same thing, let's justify this so it doesn't look squashed. Same thing, we're going to justify this as well. Okay. Let's close this up a little bit. I think we can leave this as this, and then let's justify this. Bullet point. You can see it's looking good. So this background looks really crappy to me. It's kind of hard to read. So you can click on this selection background and click on regular. That's beautiful. Okay, so it looks great now. So now let's publish the site, the page rather. Okay, we can come down here, 7 tips, copy that, we paste it in here. Okay, alright, paste it again, then click publish. Now let's view the page. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Now this is the page you need to promote. You can see here 7 tips for beautiful skin, the summary of the whole thing, of the whole article, and the body of the article. These are the 7 tips right here, all from 1 to 7. So guys, that is basically it. You're gonna come to the article. You know that, like I showed you earlier, it's about 111,000 articles. So there are a lot of articles on this PL. I'll be leaving the link in the description, and you can promote it on social media, and then make money off it by content logging it, of course. And if you want a video about how to content log the website we just created, look around the channel. I already made a video about content logging, because that is how you're going to make money with this PLR article. You need to content log this page. Once you content log this page, the visitor will have to complete certain offers to gain access to the page. And once they complete the offer, you make money, right? If you do the promotion properly, definitely they will complete the offer, and then in return they get what they came for. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, of course, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. If you have any question, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye now.